Today, we're gonna try and get my car to shoot some massive flames. Here we go, 3. This is the secret weapon. It's very simple. 2, 1. What we're gonna be using to do that is this little gadget right here. This is the secret weapon, a MSD 2-step. Now you can go ahead and order these accordingly to whatever car you have. It's pretty simple. You basically plug this thing into your coil packs or spark plugs or whatever. It kind of wigs the motor out. It'll make it shoot flames, make real loud pop noises. Now I kind of already routed some stuff. Let me show you guys how to install this thing. We open the hood up. It's very simple. Dude, you need baby hands to work on these cars. They put these big old LS. It's literally this little device. It'll come with another plug or a wire. You're gonna feed that through your firewall and connect it to a little button. I got one from AutoZone. Basically, you're just gonna run this thing up in the engine bay, run them to each side. Over here, you'll go ahead and plug the coil packs into the 2-step. It's literally like a little adapter. You can mount the little box, and then actually on the little box, it has an adjustment to adjust exactly what RPM you want the car popping and shooting flames at. And then over here in my car for the little button, I made a little plate for my console and literally went to AutoZone, got a little simple, clean looking button. You wire it, you put one end of the wire to the button and then put a ground to the car. Super, super simple. And literally all you do is tap the button for this puppy, and that's when you get the chitty chitty bang bang. So I'm gonna get this thing hooked up. We'll show you guys how it works. Now, depending on what car you have, you're definitely gonna wanna read the instructions and everything, because there are certain ways that you have to run certain wires and everything. For my application, I'm not using the white wire. It's just different on pretty much every car. It's super self-explanatory. Just read the instructions. It won't guide you wrong, I promise. This is the wire that's running into the firewall that runs to the button. This literally just plugs right up. This stuff is so simple. It's awesome. You can mount this wherever you want. Me personally, I wanted it somewhere where I can tune it real quick, so I literally just put it on the shock tower with some simple self-tappers. You know we be self-tapping everything around here. All right, guys, we got everything mounted up and zip tied. We ran all the wires away from all the heat sources, tucked them all real nice and neatly, and now it is ready to go. But the first thing that we need to do is get some gas in this thing. Old girl is a little empty. We gotta run, make a trip real quick to the gas station, and we might go ahead and see our good friend Al along the process.
Check this guy out. He went raw vegan, eating vegetables and all the greens and stuff, having salads for breakfast. My mom's got him on that whack.
I know it helps with your eyesight.
I can see better. Really?
Yeah.
Seriously? No. Oh. We're gonna take the old trusty Sketch 10. Check this puppy out. We just lowered this thing, if you guys haven't seen. Definitely go check that video out after this one on my channel. Putting that E85 in so she shoots some big old flames. Shout out to Jegs, hooking me up with everything, you know. Oh snap, Al's got his truck out today. Looking all pretty. This is my alcohol. Check you out, bro.
What you doing? What's happening back in the truck?
That's that fuel I'm putting in that race car back home. We're trying to get my car to shoot flames. What do you think?
Now you gotta get that fucking ass tennis shoe playing, baby.
This will never be as good as yours though, man.
I like your truck better than I like mine.
Oh, man, outrageous.
Man, go through that burnout. Let him check it out, bro. Come on, Jesse!
Gas spilling and everything, baby.
That's the best you ever did, bro.
Look, my whole cab shifted over. My cab mounts are completely rotted, so the whole cab just moves however it wants.
That hit it hard just now.
I know. I'm gonna hit that every day.
Hey, let's get our trucks next to each other.
Yeah. I've been waiting for this day for so long now. All right, guys, we made it back. We're gonna fill this puppy up. Put this go-go juice in her. Get some massive flame, hopefully. I went ahead and filled this thing up all the way with E85. Oh, by the way, a buddy of mine just told me this. Do not let E85 just sit in your gas tank. It will your car up. We actually tuned the car on E85. On 93, it made 550 wheel horsepower, and on E85, it made a whopping 685 horsepower. That is ridiculous change in the gas switch ups there. Crazy. And honestly, it made more power than I thought it was gonna. All right, that's the whole thing. So I'm letting her warm up real quick. Once we get up to temp, we'll go with the 2-step. Alrighty guys, here's the real test of the 2-step. We're doing an 1100 horsepower boosted launch.
Stop the cap.
Here we go, 3, 2, 1. car back. It's now dark enough to where we could see the flames. I really want to see this thing shoot a massive flame. So we got a lot of good crackling, popping, and flame noise. It didn't do what I wanted it to do necessarily, but it's a simple two-step video. We showed how to install it, how it works. Later on in the future, we're definitely gonna do a revamp of this video. We're gonna try and get this thing to act like a flamethrower. That's a simple kit and involves some spark plugs, and you literally hit the button, it ignites in the afterburn of the exhaust. It's gonna be awesome, so make sure you guys are subscribed. We'll see you in the next one. Peace!